Hey, my name is Sava Zingis. I'm our Regional Sales Director here in the Dallas-Fort Worth market, and we just wrapped up a fantastic 2024 roadshow meeting here at our home office. We had a packed house. We cover a lot of great topics for agents. We give you some valuable insight on ACA, Medicare, cross-selling, social media, and a whole lot more. The network opportunity is fantastic because not only do you get to meet your regional sales directors that you're going to have a one-on-one relationship with to kind of grow your agency or your personal production, you get to meet other agents in the market that are doing similar lines of business, right? We're all here to help each other. You never know who you're going to come across at our meetings. If you're interested, click the link, register for our upcoming ones, or give us a call.